Hello again to all my smart little animators. Last time, we finished Mrs. Cow and her storyboard. Now it's time for the fun, making the props. Today, we're making the yummiest picnic item, the chocolate croissant with banana slices. Remember our golden rule of animation? Yes, we always draw first, then we simplify the drawing into simple shapes, and then we build the simple shapes with clay. Let's apply this rule to Mrs. Cow's picnic treat, the croissant. Draw a croissant on your paper. Let's simplify it. The croissant opens up into a triangle. Draw a flat piece of chocolate. What's the simple shape? A rectangle. Draw a banana, you start with a simple shape, a cylinder. Then you just slice it into small round cuts like this. Now we're ready to build the croissant. Mix your yellow, brown, and white clay together. This gives us that beautiful, warm, golden color for our croissant dough. Now, warm up the clay by rolling it in your hands so it's soft. Shape the dough into a teardrop shape. And then use your finger to flatten it out completely until it looks exactly like a smooth triangle. Now, just like me, start from the bottom of the triangle and gently roll the dough up towards the point. That's our fluffy croissant. Okay, let's do that roll one more time so you all learn how to make delicious croissants. Excellent, the croissant is ready. Now for the toppings. For the banana, mix some yellow clay with white clay to get a natural banana color. Now, roll the dough until it becomes a perfect cylinder. Take your tool and slice the banana cylinder into neat, small, round cuts. These round cuts look just like real banana slices. For Mrs. Cow's rich chocolate, mix brown clay with some yellow, red, and a tiny bit of blue to make that deep, attractive, dark brown. Now, roll it into a round ball, slightly like a cylinder, and then use your finger to flatten it. That's our rectangular chocolate. Now, arrange them neatly on top of the chocolate on your croissant. Well done! By simplifying your drawing into a triangle, a rectangle, and a cylinder, you made Mrs. Cow's tastiest picnic treat. Remember, Simplicity is the key to great animation. In the next episode, we're going to build the rest of the important picnic props, like her sandwich, her picnic basket, and all her kitchen gear. So make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next steps. See you next time. Goodbye.